Today sounds like it's going to be a pretty busy one. It's been the kickoff for spring break. Here we are at the Basin parking lot. About quarter to 6. Hi, my name's Jamie. I work for area maintenance. I've been working at Loveland on and off since I was about 17. We're going to go out and park some cars now. So growing up here in Clear Creek County, Georgetown actually, I was brought here when I was young, and my mom started working at Loveland in the late 80s, and I've been snowboarding up here ever since. Got my first job up here when I was 17, and been on and off pretty much my whole life. So one of the reasons we get here pretty early is skinners, the people who like to hike up first thing in the morning and get a run in before everybody else. All ready to go. A lot of people like to get here early so they can get out of here early. I love it when the sun comes up over, starts peeking up on the mountaintops. Try to pack it as tight as we possibly can to make sure that as many people can get into the lot and come up and have fun and go ski and snowboard and have a great day. On weekends and holidays, you want to make sure you get here early, beat that traffic so we can get you a parking spot. One of my main goals here is to make sure that my team stays safe and happy, and make sure that the customers are even more safe and more happy. Love it when people show up and go have fun on the mountain and come down and tell me all their stories of where all the good powder spots are. Pretty simple job parking cars, but it's definitely not easy.